Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here at Aldi, and we never come over here in this section with the laundry and the cleaning and the kitchen and personal care items. So we're gonna browse over here for a few minutes just to show you guys that Aldi have more than just new finds and food. These Unstoppables up here, they're $10.94. These scented booster bees are $5.29. What's the name of them? Tandle, I think. Okay. Tandle also have the fresh linen fabric softeners, the sheets for $1.99. Okay. Downy liquid is $4.97. The competitor is $3.49, and the Gain is $10.94. Okay. This Tide is $12.97. 2-in-1 Tide is $3.44. The Tandle laundry detergent is $6. This one right here compares to Tide, it is $7. Okay, I need to try that just to see how it works. Okay, the OxyClean is $8.36, and the spray bottle is $3.24. The All Original Laundry Detergent is $11.79. $11.97 for all. Okay. These floor dry wipes are $3.35. These are the dry ones. Let's see. The wet ones are $3.99. They're just in the wrong section, wrong spot. Okay, the Febreze, my favorite, $3.24. Okay, they have April Fresh, Original, and Linen Sky. More candles over here. Cocoa Cove. It smells good. $4.49. Fabuloso is $3.47. The Dawn liquid is $4.44. Their competitor is $1.69. Let me see how thick it is. That sometimes tell you right there. And that's pretty thick. Let's compare Dawn thickness. Yeah, it's about the same in thickness. Okay. These sandwich bags, you get 100 for $2.19. Storage gallon bag, you get 17 for $2.09. Twin lock here. Gallon bag is $2.30. And the quart size is $2.19 for 50. This aluminum foil is $3.29 for 50 feet. Let's see. Okay, tall kitchen drawstring bags, $6. Thank you. Okay. Right here we have 2-roll multi-size paper towel for $4.79. 2 huge rolls equals 5 regular rolls. Okay. We have the family pack of 20. Well, of 12. It compares to 20 regular rolls for $14.75. Okay. See right here. These paper plates, you get 100 for $5.99 compared to this Dixie. The all occasion napkins compared to Vanity Fair, they're $1.89 for 100. And 50 count party cups in red for $3.50. These heavy duty cutlery, you get 96 for $6.89. Okay. And the plates, you get 50 for $5.79. And you get the bows for $3.09 for 20. Well, the sign says 20, but it's 24 bows. Okay. Oh, let's look over here. They have diapers and everything, guys. Okay. The small strides fit for every stage. You get 3 16 through 28 pounds, 100 diapers total for $11.25. You get 60 for $11.25. And you get 72 for $11.25. Okay, so this one is the 72 diapers is for 27 pounds and above. The 60 diapers is 35 pounds and over, and the 100 diapers are 16 through 28 pounds. They also have the 40 wipes right here for $4.09. They have this 3-pack here. Ooh, a lot of them. Do not flush though. Do not flush unless you want a plumber to come out. $4.79. Okay, they have a value pack right here for $11.65. How many do you get? You get 6 100 count packs. Okay, so that's 600, but do not flush, guys. Okay, this baby wash and shampoo, $2.69. Baby lotion, $3.49. All the food up here, guys. The puree food is 89 cents. Now let's get into the personal care items right here. Okay, they have these toothbrushes up here. You get a 2-pack for $2.69. The cotton swabs, they are $2.25. This day cream, night cream, and aqua gel, advanced aqua gel. Oh, never tried that. For $3.89. Okay, the foaming gel cleaner and the exfoliating scrub is no price. Okay, this Vaseline lotion here is $3.98. This 2-pack bar soap is $3.49, and it is compared to Dove. They have it for sensitive skin, and they have it in the white bar. Okay, this hand soap, $3.49. This Olay body wash is $6.97. Okay, men and women triple blaze, $3.19. You get 4. It's a 4-pack in each. Okay, the men's shampoo, well, 3-in-1 of the Suave is $4.97, and the Old Spice is $5.97. Okay. Okay, the pads, guys, they're multi Channel Super Absorbent Maxi Pads for $3.69. You get 48 count right here. The overnight maxi pads, regular and super, for $3.69. This hand sanitizer is $1.59. Pantene shampoo and conditioner, $4.38. And what is this? Styling hairspray, $5.29. Okay, it's holding spray. They have all of these vitamins, guys. Melatonin, extra strength, which is $5 for $6.69, as well as the vitamin B12. Vitamin D3 is $7.99. The fish oil omega-3 is $5.49. The strawberry electrolytes is $4.49. Clear Lax here is $7.89. Allergy relief, $3.79. Ibuprofen is $1.95. Oh, they have Secret, guys. I didn't know they have. Look right over it. It's $3.47 for the Secret. Okay, Powder Fresh and Shower Fresh. Okay, let's see. Okay, we need to look at a little of the tissue. You get 12 rolls of 1,000 sheet bath tissue for $7.99. Down here you get 30 rolls for $20. Thick and soft. Okay, right here you get 12 double rolls for $5.99. Ultra soft 12 mega rolls for $11.89. We have these flushable wipes by Willow. You get 210 for $6. Yes, that's what we want. Flushable wipes, guys. You can flush those. Okay. This 18 mega rolls Willow Premium so soft is $14. Okay, and the 12 jumbo is $6.49. You know, it wouldn't be right if I left our fur babies out, right? Okay. Pure Bean, grain-free. We have the chicken and the salmon. Chicken brown rice, the salmon sweet potato recipe. $5.89. Great deal, guys. Okay, the canned food is $1.59. Salmon and potatoes. Chicken and vegetables. Love, love, love. Oh, they have the jerky for the dogs. Turkey jerky for $4.69. Okay, the canned cat food is 55 cents. You have the salmon as well as the turkey and the tuna. And right here, the dry food is $2.65. They have it for the adults. Yes. Cat litter down here is $5.99. Okay, the dry cat food is $9.49. So this is the litter. And the dry cat food would be, I guess, this right here, but okay, it's under, it has another sign. Okay. So yeah, the biscuits are $2.29 right here. And they also have the cat treats for $1.25. Alrighty, guys. I think that's it. So this is video number 3. Today I've done the new finds, the grocery section, and now this section here. So I hope you all get a chance to watch all of them. Please like, share, and definitely subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get to that big 10K, guys. Can't do it without you. Thank you all so much, and I will see you on the next one.